This is a very short video to show you how the paint is resulting. You saw how I cleaned the ceiling, how I left it in the other video, and now let's see what happens when we paint a white color on top of that creamish color. This is how the first hand of white paint results. All that is a creamish color that comes out underneath the white paint. One hand of paint. Lots of streaks of cream color. And over here, this line, this way, is two hands of paint. We can still see here, for example, a bit of creamish color coming out underneath the white. Two hands is not enough in this case for white over cream. You would have to at least have 3 hands. And this paint is not diluted. It's been 4 years in a pail and might be a bit thicker than it was originally. And luckily this is just a cream light color on the ceiling. If it was blue or brown or black, we would need at least 4 or 5 hands to remove the dark color completely and leave the ceiling completely white. That's how it's turning out. So, for you to have an idea of how many layers of paint you need, how many hands of paint, that's the result. Okay, bye-bye.